So what are some of the things I wish I knew before I became a lawyer? I wish I knew how important summer internships were in law school. I remember being in law school and being a poor law student, and so when I had a break in school, I wanted to try to make as much money as I could to prepare for the next school year. But if I had had an actual internship doing the type of law that I wanted to do, that would have made a big difference. What happens in law school is most law students get the highest paying internship they can. And in my case, I got a job at a big firm doing a lot of complicated contract research. It was a big firm that did what's called commercial litigation, some insurance defense work, complex bankruptcy stuff. And so I did a lot of that. I don't know how much of it was particularly relevant to being a personal injury attorney. Would have been nice to have some more specific training in that regard. The other thing that I think I probably underestimated and really enjoy about what I do now is that I'm constantly interacting with people. I'm constantly face-to-face talking with clients, constantly on the phone talking with doctors, insurance adjusters. And that's been a really wonderful surprise about being a personal injury attorney. A lot of other attorneys I know are really just stuck in an office with their head researching things on the computer or looking in books or complicated Florida statutes and codes and pulling up research. And really the only time they're interacting with clients is maybe they have 1 or 2 depositions a week. That's not the type of work I would want to do. So it depends on what the attorney's interests are. And the best way to discover those interests is to try to get some exposure doing what you think you might be interested in. But to all the law students out there, the quicker you identify the type of law you want to practice, the better served you'll be in your career as an attorney. I'm happy to talk with you as well and give you any advice if you care for it. 1-800-TRIAL-PRO or trialpro.com.